Hello, in this video we are going to talk about each letter and the sounds of the letter. The first letter is A. The sound of this letter is ah, ah. Your turn. Can you say the sound of the letter? Good work. Let's say it together. Ah, ah. This letter A is for apple. Ah, ah, apple. Our next letter is M. The sound of this letter is mm, mm. When I say the letter M, I put my lips together. Mm, mm. Your turn. Good work. Let's say it together. Mm, mm. Letter M is for milk. Milk. Our next letter is P. P. Can you say the P sound? Good job. P. Let's say it together. P. P is for penguin. Penguin. Our next letter is S. When I say this sound, I put my lips together, or put my teeth. I put my teeth together. S. This is the letter S. Can you say the sound of S? Good job. Let's say the sound together. S, s. Very good. S is for snake. S, s, snake. Our last letter is D. D, D, D. When I say the sound, I put my teeth together, D, and then I open it. I open my mouth. D, D, D. That is the sound of the letter D. Can you say the sound? D, D, D. Very good. Let's say it together. D, D, D. D is for dog. D, D, dog. Good work today. See you later.